You've spent decades building your business. You've taken the risks, put in the hours, and created something real. But here's a question I ask every business owner I sit down with. Are you keeping as much of that money as you should be? Most aren't, not because they're doing anything wrong, but because they haven't built a tax strategy that works as hard as they do. The single most powerful tax tool available to a business owner? Your retirement accounts. Traditional 401k contributions are made with pre-tax dollars, which directly reduces your taxable income today. But here's what many business owners don't realize. If you establish a pension plan alongside your 401k, you can dramatically increase the amount you set aside and the deductions that come with it. Think about it this way. Would you rather send that money to the IRS or keep it working for yourself and your employees? If you have a portfolio north of $500,000, how you hold your investments matters as much as what you hold. Mutual funds can trigger taxable gains even when you don't sell. But if you own individual stocks, you have more control. You can manage gains against losses, a strategy called tax loss harvesting, which means selling stocks at a net loss to help reduce your capital gains taxes. This isn't complicated, but it does require someone paying attention to the details year-round. Real estate can be one of the most effective wealth-building tools available to business owners, and it comes with significant tax incentives worth understanding. Investment property owners may be able to take deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, operating expenses, depreciation, and repairs. These can add up meaningfully over time. Of course, every situation is different, and it's important to work with your tax professional and financial advisor to determine what makes sense for you specifically. Real estate strategies require careful planning. We'd encourage anyone considering this approach to get the right professional guidance before moving forward. The federal lifetime gift and estate tax exemption was changed to $15 million per person and made permanent. If you already used your old exemption, you may be able to take advantage of incremental planning to use the added amount. Tax strategy isn't something you think about once a year in April. For business owners, it's a year-round discipline, and the difference between a good plan and a great one can be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars over the course of your career. At the Guyton Group, we've spent nearly 40 years helping business owners in New Hampshire keep more of what they've built and build more with what they keep. If you'd like to explore what a smarter tax strategy could look like for your business, we'd welcome the conversation.